Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha. I am the creator of Side Hustle Keisha, and on this channel I'm going to bring you multiple ways for you to make money from home. Okay, so if you're looking for that side hustle, something you can do after your full-time job, I'm going to bring you opportunities for that. I'm also going to share with you opportunities where you can work full and part-time from home. If you're looking for a new opportunity to work, I'm going to bring you opportunities to work from home. And if I find some really good in-office opportunities, I may share them as well. I'm also going to share with you passive income opportunities, money you can make. They say that money you can make in your sleep, that mailbox money, but I'm going to share with you opportunities where you can get notifications on your phone that you've made $200, $1,000. It just depends on how hard you're willing to jump into that passive income world. I'm going to share some opportunities. So if you want to find out ways to make passive income where you get notifications while you're on vacation, while you're in the grocery store shopping for your family, click on the link below in the description box. It's my #1 recommendation for making money from home. So just hang in there, because this company, everyone knows. You guys know this company. And I was riding down the freeway, saw a sign on the freeway, and I thought I'd look up this company because I wanted to know what they had available as far as open opportunities, and found out they have some work from home opportunities. So let me jump right over. Remember, the description box will also have this link to these opportunities I discussed with you tonight. So all you have to do is drop down below and get click on the link to this opportunity and go right over. If you fit the qualifications, apply. Okay, this company is called Cigna, you guys. I was on the freeway the other day and I saw Cigna, and I said, let me see what Cigna has to offer. Found out Cigna has some work from home opportunities, and I was so shocked. So if I go here and I put work from home, let me just do work at home, because that's how they have it listed on their website. Work at home, 235 opportunities come up. So if you go here right now, they have an agile product owner, it's healthcare. If you go here, they also have a manager, a broker, sales representative. It's work at home. They also have nursing opportunities here. So they have a lot of opportunities that are work from home, and I was shocked because I didn't know Cigna had so many opportunities for work from home. So if you guys are looking for full-time employment or work from home opportunity, go over to Cigna, check out their website, and see what they have. I pulled 2 jobs for you guys. As I scroll through here, you see there's opportunities listed here that say work from home, work in the United States, client account support senior analyst. Let's see, scroll through here some more and see what else we can see. But I just wanted to share with you because I was so surprised to see. I pulled 2 jobs for you, and let's go to the first one. This is a marketing digital project lead. It's in the United States, work at home or office. So you have an opportunity to work from home or work in the office. So let's just find out a little bit about Cigna. It's a fun work in a company. It's fun to work in a company where people truly believe in what they're doing. We're committed to bringing passion and customer focus to the business. Summary: provides expert content, professional leadership on complex segment marketing assignment projects, supports the segment region plans, marketing initiatives to include internal and external communications, and the sales plan strategies to support growth, manages the execution of these marketing plan initiative tactics to ensure successful implementation and desired results. In partnership with the sales and management teams, assist in the development and execution of customer specific and regional strategies and programs to grow the business. So here, if you have any background in digital marketing, and you've been a project lead, this might be a great opportunity for you. It does ask for someone with a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience required, master's degree preferred in business and marketing, 5 or more years experience in healthcare, project management, communications planning, organizational savvy. So here is this lead. I'm going to put the link below in the descriptions. The qualified applicants will be considered without regard to race, color, age, or disability. So just an equal equal employment opportunity here. So you have to be self-driven and work independent, quick learner. Um, they want someone, if they possibly have a Medicare background, that's a plus. Experience working with digital teams is also a plus. Remember, this link will be below in the description, but I just wanted to drop a little gem because I didn't know Cigna had a lot of work from home opportunities. So this is one, and then I'm going to share another one with you. So again, this is the Marketing Digital Project Lead, United States, work at home or office. So I want to share that with you. It doesn't go over the salary. You guys can come here and apply, and hopefully it falls within the bracket of which you're wanting to find an opportunity that pays, within their bracket, in that bracket. Okay, let's jump on over to the second opportunity. It is a customer service advocate, and this job starts 11/4. This job is not a work from home. It is in Plano, Texas. Okay, so when I go over here, it talks about the role. As a customer service advocate, you are offered extensive paid hands-on training, a supportive post-training environment to pave your success. Cigna encourages career development and offers continued educational resources internally and externally to help you in your career advancement. So the role, in this pivotal role, the customer service advocate receives inbound customer calls to answer general inquiries on family leave, family medical leave, company leaves, American with Disabilities Act, and New York paid family leave. Additionally, they track all the family medical leave time reported and provide determination in time decisions. So you do a little bit more there than just provide information. You'll be tracking the time as well. Creative problem solving, critical thinking, and empathy skills are essential. Professional interaction and active and passive listening skills, and the ability to utilize computer-based resources highly effective manner to educate and provide accurate responses to customer inquiries is crucial for success in the role, along with the innate ability to be compassionate and empathetic when appropriate when handling complex customer inquiries. So there's a long list here, you guys. So if you think this is something you're interested in, I just want to drop a quick gem tonight. Cigna has work from home opportunities, and they do have, of course, they have opportunities in the office, but I wanted to share that with you because I know a lot of people have been inboxing me and hitting me up on Facebook, on the Side Hustle page, on Side Hustle Keisha Facebook page, about opportunities working from home. A lot of people are really considering transitioning working from home. They're tired of commuting. They're tired of, getting up and getting dressed. You can wear your yoga pants and work from home. But if you still want to go in the office, they have opportunities as well. So that's why tonight I shared 2 opportunities with you. That's for Cigna. I hope this helps someone who's looking for work or are thinking about transitioning to work from home. You guys have a blessed night. I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're notified. See you next time. Bye.